Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we repaired this DeLonghi Gran Dama espresso machine, and we did a tune-up, and we also replaced the pump. You can see the old pump here, and so let's go ahead and test the machine. See, we have a nice strong flow of espresso coming out. The customer reported a concern that the coffee isn't hot enough. We checked the settings, and the settings are at their highest settings, so there's nothing we can do to make the coffee hotter, unfortunately. But we are getting good flow. We'll test the hot water. The customer didn't bring the frothing pitcher, so we can't test that function. You can see we get good hot water. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.